The following is from Spring 2012, Math 115, Test 4, number 27. The length of a rectangle is 2 cm less than twice the width. So you see that the length of a rectangle, let's say this is the length here, this is defined to be 2 centimeters less than twice the width. Okay, the length is defined in terms of the width. Now the area of the rectangle is 180 centimeters square. Find the length of the rectangle. Now let's first, because the length is defined in terms of the width, I will define the width instead. Let W be the width of the rectangle. Okay, and then step 2, the area of that rectangle will be length times width, right? And the length we know is twice the width minus 2 times the width, which now I'm about to solve. The area is, let me just plug in numbers. The area is 180, and then here I will distribute twice the W squared minus 2W and set one side equals 0. Right? And notice that I can factorize the 2 out, and then from there I factorize the trinomial. Okay, and then from here I will say, okay, then W minus 10 equals to 0, or W plus 9 equals to 0. Either W is 10 or the width is negative 9. But of course the width should not be a negative answer, right? The width should not be a negative number, so I will cross this out, and that's my width. The length therefore is twice the width minus 2, which is 2 times 10 minus 2, and that's 18, right? From there then I summarize. So the length of the rectangle is 18 centimeters. Okay, that's the way it will be done. Now let's review this question again. The question here is find the length, but the length is defined in terms of the width. Okay, now therefore when you define a variable, it is preferable for you to define the width first, and the length will be defined in terms of the width. I will solve for the width from the beginning. Once I get the width, then I use that width to find the length. So the width here, you can call that as our stepping stone. And then once we get the length, we summarize them. Okay, now this is for Spring 2012, Math 115, Test 4, number 27.